Hello everyone, I am Samal More from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Rajaram Nagar. Today I am going to give presentation on different types of buzzers with their applications. So first we will see what is a buzzer. A buzzer is a device that provides audio signaling functions. The devices may be mechanical or electronic or combination of both. They are used in an enormous range of products and are available in various levels of sophistication. They are also available at various price levels, from devices that cost very little to expensive. There are different types of buzzers. First is magnetic buzzers, second is electromechanical buzzers, third is mechanical buzzers, and last one is piezo buzzers. Let's see one by one. Then first is magnetic buzzers. Magnetic buzzers emit sound by way of a coil. An influx of electricity causes the coil to activate, and due to which sounding the buzzer. You can see the picture of magnetic buzzer. Then next is electromechanical buzzer. Electromechanical buzzers can incorporate many different parts in their designs. What differentiates them from other type of buzzer is that a pair of contacts is activated when current is run through the device. These type of buzzers actually make the buzzing sound that most people associated with electrical buzzers in general. Then next is piezo buzzers. Piezo buzzers are the type found in most desktop computers. Though their low expense and good performance makes them popular in other applications as well. The heart of this device is a piezoelectric amplifier, which is tripped when the circuit is completed. These buzzers can make many different noises, making them particularly versatile. Then next type is mechanical buzzers. Mechanical buzzers are differentiated from the other types of buzzers by the fact that there is no electrical current required to activate them. The buzzer uses some sort of stored energy, usually a spring that is wound tightly. When mechanical device is tripped, the stored energy is released into other parts of mechanism that actually emits the buzzing noise. Then next we will see how does a buzzer work. A buzzer takes some sort of input and emits a sound in response to it. A buzzer needs to have some way of taking in energy and converting it into a acoustic energy. Many buzzers are part of larger circuit and they take their power directly from device's power source. Or in other cases, however, the buzzer may be battery powered so that it will go off in the event of mains outage. So now we will see what are the different parameters which are taken into consideration while choosing the right buzzer. There are different parameters such as sound level, type and frequency. There are different sound levels which is measured in decibels. The sound levels varies from 57 dB to several dB. So from which one of the sound level you have to choose for selection of buzzer. Then next one is type. As we have already discussed the various types of buzzer, so from that you have to choose one of them. Then next is frequency. The frequency range varies from 400 Hz to 20 kHz, from which you have to choose one of the frequency for a buzzer. Then now we will see what are different applications of buzzers or what are the buzzers used for. Then in which first is alarm clocks. Use of buzzers with which most people are likely familiar is an alarm clocks. When the clock reaches to a particular state or a time, the buzzer sounds to alert the user that it's time to wake up. Then next application is in computers. Buzzers are used on computers, most often to indicate error conditions. These buzzers may go off if there is a faulty component on the device. Computers usually uses beepers for this purpose. These are usually piezoelectric buzzers. Then next application is in microwave ovens. Buzzers are also used in home appliances. Most microwave ovens and many regular ovens and other appliances have a buzzer installed on them that lets the user know when the cooking time they have set has expired, and when time is expired, then buzzer goes on. The next application is buzzing someone in. Means for instance, buzzing someone in refers to opening an electromechanical lock on a door which emits a buzz indicating that the lock has been moved to a open position. So for this security purpose, we can use buzzers. Then last one is sporting events such as basketball games, in which buzzers are used. In most of the games or in most of the game shows, the players are use a buzzer to indicate that they are ready to offer an answer or to signal the host, audience, or other participants that they want to make some sort of move in the context of the game. So in various applications, the buzzers are used. So it's all about buzzers and their applications. I hope you have understood them. So thank you.